This brand is made in America by Daikin Comfort Technologies Manufacturing LP, which is a part of Daikin Industries Limited. All of the units feature louvered metal panel construction with a powder-coated finish for durability and to protect the condenser coil from mechanical damage. The brand is only sold through their dealer network in the USA, but the units are backed by a good guarantee that includes lifetime replacement of the compressor. They have aluminum evaporator coils which resist corrosion and compressor sound blankets to lower noise levels. They offer optional electric heat kits in sizes from 5 to 20 kilowatts to provide central heating. The APHH3 models are basic heat pumps for slab mounting with a 13.4 CR2 cooling efficiency and a 6.7 HSPF2 heating efficiency, while the APHM3 units are field convertible from horizontal discharge to down air discharge for rooftop installations. They are relatively loud with an 80 decibel noise level, which is equivalent to an alarm clock. The APHH5 models are basic single-stage heat pumps with a 15.2 CR2 cooling efficiency and a 6.7 HSPF2 heating efficiency, while the APHM5 units have a two-stage compressor. Both have a variable speed blower motor for quieter and more efficient operation. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category rating. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.